welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're going to open my second lost kitty. I already have one lost kitty open. You see my compact is already here. The white one, we got a white compact, and we also got this kitty where we got a Nintendo Switch green one and the purple burger. Put it back and let's open it. Just give you a close-up first.
What if it's a duplicate?
We have to give it to someone else. If it's a duplicate, the compact will be the same color. Then it has to be not a duplicate. We got white one again.
Of course.
Maybe it's a duplicate or it's not. Because it could be another one, but it could be a duplicate too. I'm going to open the other side.
Yeah, the fire is the same. It's nothing special.
This side.
Lost kitties! I hope we don't get a duplicate.
Stuck. How do I take it out? So we got another white compact. Let's take the white compact out. I think we can mash this together. Feels kind of harder. Feels colder. Can I use his tail? Use this tail. Get it out. Hey! For real, I'm gonna get 100% of the compact. I already see some of the blue blind bags. Let's take the beauty compact out first. Then we're gonna take it out. Take the blue blind bag out. What are you doing? Trying to get it non-sticking? Can you talk?
No, I cannot talk.
Why?
Oh, I'm talking, sorry.
Yes, you can. You can talk. Because you're my cameraman. You always talk in your video.
How come you have time today? Because today we got a typhoon, right? Or hurricane?
Yeah, but I also had to go in my school in P1. Just half time. I put it all here.
You need some help?
Now I got the blind bag. I got some spare space. I found my accessory. Here's my blind bag. It's very small. My hands are all compact.
You want me to unpack it for you?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
Thank you. I got blue. Aww. He's so annoying. I got another purple accessory, but it's not the same.
What's that?
The hat.
What
And it
else?
has so much inside it.
Yeah,
Take it out for me.
It takes time for you to take out all those stuff. It's
I
difficult.
found my meme sticker.
I don't like all those
Sticky
thing. It's difficult to take it out when you're stuck to somewhere. You cannot even put your finger inside, right?
Yes, I can.
It's difficult, and you take it out.
Okay, let me take my meme sticker out first too. Okay, let's take my meme sticker.
You got all two accessories already?
No, still need one more accessory. Except my meme sticker. I'm so annoyed. I'm getting another accessory. I'm not gonna make the meme sticker. I found my other accessory. It's very light purple. Or as you can say, there's no beauty compact inside. That was good because I could not fit my finger inside it. Here you go.
Yeah, it's difficult to get it.
I need to take my meme sticker out and the rest of the compact out. I'm going to wash my hands later. It's not working. I got all of it out. Meme sticker. Can you give me some? It's so big. Meme sticker. And my rest of the food compact. Let's make it as slime. Let's flatten it out. And then do like... Okay, here's my meme sticker. What does it say?
Fine. But I'm not wearing the hat. I don't know.
Fine, but I'd not wrap the hat. But I would not rather be the hat. I need some. Thank you. Not this burger, this rocket ship. Very clean up. I don't think we can get it out from this hat.
Can we have a close-up of the
Taking
kitten?
so long. Here's the music. Here's the kitty.
Where is it?
It's on
Where is it?
the tower of compact.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to take it out. You take it out. Use your pinky.
I guess it's difficult. Even I try to use your
Scissors and it
Scissor.
doesn't work.
yeah.
Ew. Boogers. Ew. Wait. I have to check it. Hold.
I take out most of them already.
Okay. Just kidding. I'm just going to take out my kitty. So, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And like us on Poop. Bye. So, 1 million subscribers again. Please. You and you have to subscribe to me. Okay? If you don't subscribe to me, I'm not going to subscribe to you. So, bye.